Ever stared at your found app, willing a mysterious transfer to magically appear? You're not alone. Found transfers can be a lifesaver. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, getting paid a little early, or just moving money around. But waiting for that transfer to clear can feel like an eternity, especially when you need the cash quick. So, how long does a found bank transfer actually take? Buckle up, because the answer depends on a few factors, kind of like that delicious brunch place that has a wait list depending on the day and time. Fear not, though. We'll break down the different scenarios and give you a realistic timeline for your found transfers. Scenario 1. Found to found, faster than a flash. Let's start with the simplest situation. Transferring funds between found accounts. Here's the good news. Found to found transfers are practically instant. Yep, you read that right. As long as both accounts are active and in good standing, that money will zip over like a digital hummingbird, usually within seconds. So, if you're settling up with a friend who also uses found, you can both breathe a sigh of relief. No awkward waiting or wondering if the transfer went through. Scenario 2. Found to your bank account, a breezy wait, usually. Alright, so what about transferring from found to your regular bank account? This is where things get a little more nuanced. Typically, these transfers land in your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. That means weekends and holidays can add some extra waiting time. So, if you initiate a transfer on a Friday afternoon, you might not see the funds until Tuesday. Here's a pro tip. Think of weekdays as the fast lane for bank transfers. Initiate your transfer earlier in the week to avoid any weekend delays. Scenario 3. The mystery transfer. It's coming. We promise. Now, let's say you're on the receiving end of a transfer from another bank account. This is where things can get a little trickier. Transfers coming into your found account from a different bank can take anywhere from 4 to 5 business days. The exact time frame depends on the other bank's processing speed, so unfortunately, it's a bit out of Found's control. But here's the good news. Found will show the transfer as pending in your app as soon as they receive notification from the other bank. This way, you know the transfer is on its way even if you can't quite spend it yet. Found a found transfer snag? Here's what to do. So, you've checked the app religiously, it's been several business days, and your transfer is still MIA. Don't panic. Here are a couple of things you can do. Double-check the details. Make sure the routing number and account number you provided are absolutely correct. Even a tiny typo can throw a wrench into the transfer process. Contact Found Support. Found's support team is there to help. They can investigate the transfer and give you an update on its status. Reach out to the sender. If you're the receiver, it might be helpful to confirm with the sender that they initiated the transfer and ensure everything is on their end. Found bank transfers can be a speedy and convenient way to move your money around. For found-to-found transfers, it's practically instantaneous. Transfers between Found and your bank account typically land within 1 to 2 business days, while incoming transfers from other banks can take 4 to 5 business days. Remember, weekends and holidays can add some extra waiting time. So, plan your transfers accordingly and don't hesitate to reach out to Found Support if you run into any snags. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.